This one's for my mum. This one's for everyone that you know who doesn't really get tech, IT, what we do. Now, I have been working professionally in IT for some months now, I think, and my mum asked me, well, I never know what it is you do. And I don't bother trying to explain because I get the sort of "that's nice, dear," which means that she doesn't understand. And she's not tech illiterate. I got an email December 1999, "Aren't you proud your mum is in the 20th century?" And I went, "Yes, well done. Shame it ends in a month." So I want to get away from this. This is no good. And I want to talk about this instead. So, we all know what this is. This is music. It's a notation. It's a code, if you will. It's quite heavily based in maths. Some people can read it. I can't. I kind of know a little bit about things. I know the higher up the notes are, the higher the note that gets played. Other people can look at that and actually tell me what it is, what it sounds like, what instrument it's for. But you show that to most people and they won't go running, screaming, going, it's music! You show people code and my God, they shut down. You show people an instrument, they probably want to play it, have a go, or listen to you play it. You show them a computer and, I might break it. So let's consider music. We teach music to our children in schools. I'm a father, I have 2 children, I have sat through the concerts with the 5-year-old that only a parent can love. No, we don't. They do CDs of them and sell them. You have to listen to it over and over again, it's not fair. You know, you're not expecting much from them. Your kids may enjoy playing music. They may go on and do it at GCSE. They may get tuition if they're really good. If they're brilliant, they may go on and do A-level university. When they come out of university, they probably know a very specialized area of music, certain genre, certain instrument. You're not expecting a concert virtuoso in every single instrument, plus a rock star, plus a rapper. And yet it seems that with IT, somehow we are different. We're teaching children IT in schools now, and it seems like at the age of 5, we should be producing Bill Gateses. That's what it sounds like. And certainly by the age of 16 and sort of the 20s when they're coming out of university, they should know everything. Seems to be the prevailing wisdom, which is not true. And it doesn't help that our children don't really have the access to the tutors and the clubs that the musicians might have. So there's this mismatched idea of what it is we do as it being special and different. And it's not. With music, you have a composer, and they write the music down, and the music is instructions to a musician. And that musician interprets the music and plays it, and hopefully something nice and useful comes out of it. And effectively what we are is composers, except that we're not writing music, we're writing a different language, and it's been passed to a computer rather than a musician to be interpreted, and hopefully something nice comes out of it. There's a lot of analogies that go on, and so what I would say, what do I do for a living? What do we all do for a living? We take complex ideas that might not be easily explainable, and we reframe them, and we put them into a different language that is understandable by others. And hopefully what I have done is reframed the question, what is it you do, into a language that is understandable by others. All we do is take complex problems, break them down into small tasks, and tell computers how to do them, normally badly. Thank you very much.